But yeah, this is bomb, y'all. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing and giving you my initial thoughts on the Sensational Cloud9 Swiss lace wig in the style Catherine. Alright, this was sent to me from Ebonyline, so I am going to leave everything in the description box, of course, on this unit. Alright, and let's see. This is a silk based lace front unit, and it's a human hair and hybrid mix. Alright, and it does say that you can heat it up to 400 degrees. And I did get this in the color F430. Okay, and it does say that it has limitless parting. So that's good news, so that I'll be able to part it in a direction that, you know, I like for my hair to lay. Alright, so let's see. And this is what she looks like on the model. I actually really like this color, but I didn't get it in this color. I got it in F430. And on the back, it shows her wearing it center part and also side part. So yeah, you'll be able to part this in any direction that you would like, which is a plus for me. Alright. Off the bat, I can tell that this is like a light Yaki texture. Alright, so it looks like relaxed African American hair, which is cool. I don't like my units to be too silky because my hair isn't silky, you know what I mean? So I like the light Yaki to Yaki textures. Yeah, I think this is pretty. Very, very pretty. And this has two combs on the side. Okay, one here and one here. One comb in the back and adjustable straps along the back. And this is the lace area. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this on. So now I'm just running my hands through the hair just to see if I get any shedding. A couple of strands, yeah. This hair feels so good, y'all. Wow. Now I'm gonna take my powder, that's my skin complexion, and apply that to the part. Like, I haven't worn a straight unit in a while, so I'm so used to like curly hair. So this is an adjustment. And as you can see with the part, I just love the parting space that it gives. I did not have to go in and tweeze. I just went in like you saw earlier with my powder, just to have the lace concealed and it looking more natural. But yeah, this is very pretty, guys. Lightweight, not heavy at all. I would say big head friendly, because I do, okay, have like a big head. So big head friendly, pretty lightweight. I just wish I would have got it in that lighter color like the model was wearing. But yeah, I really, really like this. So I do notice that there's a little hump right here, but you could go in with a flat iron to flatten this some more. It is heat friendly up to 400 degrees, so you could do that if you wanted. But yeah, this is bomb, y'all. Feel like, yes. Like, I can't stop running my fingers through this hair. Bomb. Let's see how this would look with a middle part. I'm so not a middle part girl. Like, I already hate it. I'm not even gonna give this a try. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that you can part it in whatever direction you want. So if I was gonna leave this in the center like this, I would just go in with the powder, with that same powder, and just conceal that. But yeah, I love, 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 love that you get the freedom to part it in whatever direction you want. Of course, I would just fix the hairline. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it the way it was before. And just to give you an idea about the length of this hair, I am 5'9½", and this comes up like right at my boob area, okay? So overall, I do like this hair. I think it's very pretty, and what I like the most about it, like I've said already, is that it gives you the freedom to part it wherever you want to part the hair and wherever you want your hair to lay. And I also like that it's comfortable, it's breathable, it's not too heavy, it's big head friendly, and the con that I can see right now is that there's like a little hump right here, but like I said, you can go in with a flat iron just to flatten it out some more. But I do think that's also because my hair is not super duper flat underneath here. I didn't get a chance to braid my hair, so maybe that's why, but it doesn't bother me that much. That's the only con I can see right now. Another pro about this hair is the texture. I do like that it's a light yaki texture and it's not too silky, so I appreciate that about this unit. So yeah, this hair is effortless. I consider myself to be a beginner when it comes to units and, you know, making sure it's blended. So I do think that this is super beginner friendly. You don't have to do much to it. So yeah, y'all, if y'all feeling this unit, make sure to check my description box and check out Ebonyline, like I said earlier, for this unit and any other units that you may want to try out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. As usual, please follow me on all of my social media, including Snapchat and especially Instagram. Alright, y'all, enjoy the weather, enjoy the summertime, and stay fabulous. Until next time, bye.